Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome to another tutorial with me. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to open, create, and write to files. So let's begin. So let's say I have a file. In this case, I have a text file. You can have a PHP, HTML, CSS, whatever file you have. So I have a my.txt file. And so what I want to do is open that file and read it. So to do that, I will have variable r equal to the function f open, and this function basically opens the file. So it takes two parameters, and for the first parameter, it's going to take your file name. The second parameter is going to take the mode that you want your file to be opened in. And I'm going to choose R. And if you don't know what the modes are, these are the different modes that you can open your file in. So you can open your file for read only if you just want to read your file. You can open your file for write only if you're going to write your file, create a new file, or whatever you're going to use. So these are the different modes. Now, what I'm going to do is just echo FREAD, and this function, fread, basically reads my file. It's going to take two parameters. So the first parameter is going to take the function R, not function, but the variable R, sorry. And then it's going to take file size and my file name. And basically it finds how many bytes the file has. And then the last thing you want to do is close your file after you have opened it, because it's good practice that you do close your file. You don't want to sit there and have it open. So it's going to take the R variable. And so we're going to save that. And let's head over to localhost test.php. And as you can see, it opened a file and it allowed me to read the file, read what's in that file. So that is how you open the file. You open and read the file. Now let's say I want to go ahead and create a file. To do this, I will have my variable. I'm just going to have G equals to F open. And this is the same function that creates a file. And it's going to take two parameters. I'm going to call this file irock.php. And we're going to use W to create that file. And then we're going to have an if statement, because I want to test this out. So I'm going to say if fwrite, and I forgot my T, fwrite, and this is just going to take two parameters also. So it's going to take the variable G, file size, and the file name, which is irock.php. So if that's true, if the file has been created, echo file created, else echo file not created. save that. And let's go ahead and refresh this. And it says file created. And to find out if your file is really created, just go to File, Open, and just search for the file I just created, which was irock.php, and the file has been created. Now you see that as 0 because we have nothing on this screen. Now here comes the writing to that file. So let's say I wanted to write to that file. So I'm just going to make another variable, and I'm going to name this t equal to the text I want to be there. Want cookies. I want cookies. And then another thing we're going to do is just erase the file size, and we're just going to add the variable t. And sentence added. Sentence added. Then I'm going to put for this one, sentence not added. And let's go ahead and refresh. And it says sentence added. Now if we go here and we get this message, this file has been modified by another program. Do you want to reload it? And click yes. And as you can see, we wrote to that file. So that is how you write to the file. So first thing is you open the file, then you write the text that you want, and then we did an if statement. If we have written to the file, if this is true, equals sentence added, and then else equals sentence not added. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial.